What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new YouTube video, and today I'll be doing a review, I guess, or first impressions on a sewing mannequin from Amazon. So I was gifted this mannequin for Christmas from a friend, so yeah. I'll be pretty much giving my opinion on whether I think you should buy it or not. So from the start, it's very light. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but for me, I would think that they will be more heavier, or I will at least want them to be heavier. But I got this for free, but the normal price for this is $80, so not expensive for a sewing mannequin because I know the real good ones cost about $400, so yeah. This is not expensive at all. Now on the box it's telling me not to cut this because I could cut the mannequin. So yeah. So the reason I wanted one or got one is because, like I told y'all in multiple videos by now, I want to start doing women's clothing, and I find well, in my head, I at least think that this will make it much easier. I at least think that this will make it much easier by getting a sewing mannequin. So yeah, this feels like it's styrofoam. So yeah, this is styrofoam. This velvet texture is very nice. This velvet feels very nice. But yeah, like I said, it's styrofoam with like a thin sheet of like fabric so you can pin your pins to it. Everything is nicely wrapped though. Like everything's protected, everything is bubble wrapped. Like this, these are the legs. These are the legs, so yeah. I don't know if you've seen that. If I don't know, I'll take my time. I say I don't know if y'all can see that a lot because I'm still not used to this new camera. So I don't know. The screen is right there. I'm looking at the screen. But sometimes it's so far back, I'm not sure if the item is in focus. So, yeah. So, okay. That's on. So you just attach that. It does come with instructions, but I don't think we need them. I could be wrong. This is solid. This feels like solid wood. This and this top part right here. This piece right here and this piece feels like top. This feels like solid. It feels decent. Well, it feels nice quality. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Now, this is aluminum. So from the picture, I could see. I said I need it, but I hate this chandelier so much. Y'all can't see it on here, but I'll see it. But it's so annoying. I'm not trying to break nothing, so let's just go to the thing. Because I'm not trying to break anything. So this is supposed to come out. See? I would have broke something. Still don't know what's going on. Okay. Let me look at the instructions. Because I thought I didn't need them, but I will end up looking something. Everything's still nice quality. These are very hard plastic, but feels nice. Ah, okay, so this goes in here. This is plastic too. This goes. They go in. I guess that worked. Nice. So everything went in. Everything went in nice. So screw on this, and then now the thing about this is like, does this go on here? Because it's okay. It says nope. Ah, okay. I'm recording on my phone too, so my bad, y'all. Oh, okay, this part unscrews. Okay, doesn't matter which end. Doesn't matter which end. Now what I'm scared of is this right here. It says just push that down, but this is very hard to get on that. It feels like it's on, but it also feels like I will break that. So this is it. That didn't take too much time. That was very simple. It feels nice quality. Like this part, I'm gonna make sure that's it. You can adjust it up or down, I'm assuming. Yeah, you can. You can just twist the bottom of this, and then the pole will go in some more. I'm trying to screw it back on. So, this is it. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but I'll put the phone footage on the screen so you can see it because I'm recording for TikTok and stuff like that. So, it's pretty tall, and it can get taller than this, but for $80, you can take this fabric part off with these strings right here and I guess wash that, which is a good thing. It feels from right now, my first impressions, it feels nice. I'm not gonna lie. It feels decent. I think I could get a lot done with this. And for a first mannequin, I think this would do good. Now I'm just trying to pin it to see how easily it pins. So yeah, I feel like for a first mannequin, this is fine. For a first mannequin, I do say it should be fine, due to the fact that it's my first mannequin, and I still, want to get used to the proper ways to using it, even though I know, you know what I mean? So, as a first mannequin, I would recommend this to anybody. Yeah, that's all I can say for right now. As a first mannequin, it feels nicely built. It's not too poorly built, This is very lightweight, which means you can move it everywhere. It's sleek looking, I guess. But as a first mannequin, would I recommend this? Yes. And that's all I can pretty much say. I will be trying to drape clothes on here and, like I said, make women's clothes. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you are interested in this mannequin, the same one that I have, I'll link it down below in the description. All my links, website, Instagram, all that stuff will be down there as well. Thank you guys again for watching this video. I will be doing more things with this, so subscribe to the channel if you already haven't subscribed. And yeah, let me know how I'm doing in the comments below. Peace.